A rare but life-threatening motor neuron disease, spinal muscular atrophy affects only 1 in 8,000 people worldwide. Often called a ticking time bomb, SMA results in the loss of nerve cells in the spinal cord and the brainstem, leading to a complete loss of body movement.
Without medicine, it can lead to fatal complications. We, parents and caregivers of SMA, live in constant fear. We urge the government to bring treatments to India which is not yet available and affordable. There are 3 US FDA approved treatments, but it's not available for us in India. We have a parent support group called Cure SMA Foundation of India, which has around 500 registered patients with us, and we constantly work to bring the treatment to India. So kindly help us in this regard.
Affecting patients at an early stage, the muscles weaken further as age progresses. There are 3 FDA-approved treatments for the disease, but Indian patients are denied access to these treatments merely for the lack of funding.
It's a painful life actually, and we are living in a fear that whether he can see in his future or not. Every day is a challenge for us. No, because he gets sick quite often, and this it will take like 2 to 3 weeks, to get recover. And there are many kids are dying with this SMA. So we don't know, because we are living in a fear world. So there is a SMA medicine, but if government can help us on get this medicine to my son, and all SMA kids, then it will be great helpful.
One of India's most renowned sand artists, Sudarshan Patnaik, is trying to raise awareness about SMA through his art. Supported by Cure SMA India, a non-profit organization catering to the needs of SMA patients in the country, Padma Shri awardee Sudarshan Patnaik hopes to draw the government's attention to the disease. Patnaik also hopes that through his venture, government intervention into the treatment of SMA patients in India will follow through. Cure SMA India has one goal: to ensure access to the life-saving treatment so no parent would have to endure the grief of losing a child.